Production on a unique, flexible assembly line. The all-new Škoda Elroq is being manufactured at the Czech carmaker's main plant in Mladá, Boleslav, the only Volkswagen Group facility in Europe where the ICE Octavia, MQB platform, and the recently updated, all-electric Enyaq, MEB platform, are produced side by side. This strategic decision allows the plant to rapidly adapt to shifts in consumer demand. To free up production capacity, Octavia production was partially relocated to the Kvasiny plant in 2024, allowing space in Mladá Boleslav to manufacture up to 600 Elroq vehicles daily. The Mladá Boleslav plant also produces battery systems for these MEB vehicles. In addition to the new Elroq and updated Enyaq, the traction batteries are used in the electric models of other Volkswagen Group brands. In December 2024, the plant reached the milestone of 1 million battery systems produced.
Škoda Auto produced its 1 millionth battery system at its main plant in Mladá, Boleslav. The carmaker has been manufacturing high-voltage traction batteries since 2019, when it launched battery production for the superb IV with a plug-in hybrid powertrain. Currently, the company is focused exclusively on producing larger batteries for fully electric vehicles based on the MEB platform. 2 assembly lines achieve a combined daily output of 1,500 units. These batteries, with capacities ranging from 55 to 91 kilowatt-hours, net capacity 52 to 86 kilowatt-hours, are installed in the Škoda Enyaq and Škoda Elroq as well as other Volkswagen Group brands, such as Volkswagen, Seat, Cupra and Audi. For more information, check Škoda storyboard. This article was read by AI-generated voice.
Elroq compact SUV, a strategically important addition to the lineup. The Škoda Elroq is the brand's first fully electric model in the popular compact SUV segment and Škoda's first production model to adopt the new modern solid design language. With a competitive starting price of around €33,000, before any state subsidies, in select European markets, it is the most affordable vehicle in its segment when factoring in its battery capacity and extensive standard equipment. By achieving list price parity with its ICE counterpart in many markets, Škoda Auto furthers its commitment to offering customers the freedom of choice and the best of both powertrain worlds. More information on the benefits of EVs can be found on the Volkswagen Group's e-mobility info hub Enter Electric. The Elroq is available with 3 battery sizes and multiple power configurations, delivering system outputs ranging from 125 kilowatts to 210 kilowatts and offering up to 82 kilowatt-hours, 77 kilowatt-hours usable, of battery capacity. The Elroq 85 model achieves a maximum range of up to 581 kilometers, WLTP, and can charge from 10% to 80% in just 25 to 28 minutes, depending on the battery option. Demand for the all-new Škoda Elroq has been strong, with over 20,000 orders already received by the end of 2024. Škoda Auto has launched series production of its all-electric Elroq at the company's main plant in Mladá, Boleslav. This compact SUV rolls off a flexible assembly line alongside the new Škoda Enyaq and the Octavia. To accommodate a daily output of up to 600 Elroq units, part of the Octavia's production was relocated to the Kvasiny plant last year. Positioned as one of the most affordable offerings in its segment across Europe, the Elroq reaches price parity with its internal combustion engine (IC) counterpart in several markets. It shares the same MEV platform as the Enyaq, which became one of Europe's best-selling fully electric vehicles (EVs) last year. Škoda Elroq brings a strong, modern appearance with the modern solid philosophy. The front of the car stands out with a fake radiator grille, combined with sharp LED headlights. This is the first time Škoda has applied the crystal face design, a front light system that can light up, creating a unique visual effect. The glowing Škoda logo is also a highlight, helping the car stand out more when moving at night. The lighting technology on the Elroq has a strong futuristic impression. The LED matrix system allows intelligent adjustment of the light beam, avoiding dazzling oncoming vehicles. The horizontal LED daytime positioning strip, combined with the welcome effect when unlocking the car, brings a premium experience. The 3D LED taillights with dynamic effects are not only beautiful but also increase safety when braking or turning. The headlights of the Elroq are available in two versions. The standard version has a continuous daytime running light and indicator module at the top and a shared unit with LED modules for the low beam and high beam at the bottom. In the top-tier LED matrix beam headlights, four individual rectangular LED modules form the daytime running light strip in the upper light unit. Two striking LED blocks are used in the lower module. They feature matrix technology with 36 individual light segments, selectively shielding oncoming road users when the high beam is switched on. In addition, the LED matrix beam headlights offer 5 adaptive light modes: city mode, country mode, highway mode, all-weather light mode and tourist mode for countries driving on the other side of the road. The rear lights also conform to the modern solid design language, with fine lines and a minimalist 2D look. Even the standard variant uses 100% LED technology. The top-of-the-range version also offers dynamic indicators, backlit crystalline elements, and animation when the tailgate is opened and a choice of two coming/leaving home animations that integrate the headlights. In the modern solid era, the headlights feature slim lines and a minimalist, purposeful design. They reinterpret the typical four-eyed Škoda SUV face and use LED technology exclusively. While the narrow upper segments of the headlights serve as daytime running lights, position lights, and indicators, the larger lower modules provide the important low beam and high beam functions. Among the new standout features is a light band that visually connects the headlights. This light band is initially exclusive to the first edition model.